I've studied more than 100,000 posts on TikTok from almost every niche imaginable in order to figure out exactly what makes posts go viral. And in this video, I'm going to share with you the 5 things that I learned so that you can adapt these things, skyrocket the views that you're getting, and it doesn't matter how many followers you have or how many times you've gone viral in the past or what niche you're in. If you implement these tactics, it's going to help you skyrocket your reach on TikTok right now. Change number 1 is you need to make sure that you're actually optimizing the posts that you're going to be uploading so that TikTok shows it to the wrong audience. Because what I found for a lot of creators is that they're uploading content that's really good, but they're messing things up when they go to upload it, so TikTok doesn't show it to the ideal audience, which is what stops it from getting pushed out. Okay. The first thing I need to make sure that you're doing is you need to actually be giving YouTube the right information here. So if we look at this video, we can see that this video got around 960,000 views. It's almost at 1 million views. And the reason for that is because if we come over here and we look at the hook that I have, we could see ChatGPT hack insane discounts. Those are 4 keywords that tons of people are interacting with on TikTok. So when we put those keywords in our video, it increases the odds that TikTok says, hey, we know exactly who to show this content to because other people have done this. The second thing that you'll notice about this is if we come over to the comments, we see agent mode, we see discount code, we see agent mode, we see discount code, we see people putting ChatGPT. So what this actually does is signals to TikTok that, hey, people are actually talking about the topic of the video in the comment section here. The next thing that you're going to notice is that if we come over to the hashtags, all 3 of them have ChatGPT in here. One of them has ChatGPT hack, which again is going to be what the actual hook of this video is. And then if we look at the description, try using this ChatGPT hack to get a discount on anything you want to buy. Guess what? The same exact thing. We see those same keywords repeat themselves. Now, all of these keywords constantly repeating themselves leads to one thing. You think it would be boring and kind of repetitious, but that's not actually what happens. Instead, the TikTok algorithm says, hey, we know exactly who to show this content to because we have a massive audience that is going to be interested in this stuff. Change number 2 is that videos might not be your key to going viral on TikTok right now. In fact, it's probably not the easiest way to go viral. The easiest way to go viral on TikTok right now is by making sure that you're uploading both videos and carousels for every topic that you are going to be uploading on. And if you're wondering what those carousels should look like, here are some examples. So if we look at this page right here, this is literally a perfect example of how creating carousels can help you go viral. If we look at this channel right here, they've gone viral more times than I can count, and they've literally never uploaded a video. All of their content is going to be carousels, and they gained over 500,000 followers by doing this. So if we actually click into one of these carousels, we could see how to confuse somebody with dark psychology. Now, they're doing a few things correctly on this. First and foremost, what you're going to notice is that if you are doing carousels, you want to make sure that you are either adding a voiceover or a sound over here that helps carousels trend. And if we look, we could see that they use the same sounds over and over again, or they use different sounds. It's all going to be for whatever the actual topic is. So if we click back over here, we can see that as we go through here, they're also using different colors. They're using white, they're using black, they're using red to emphasize things. You want to make sure that you're doing the same thing. And then that third thing is if we look at almost all of their carousels, they are all going to do 2 things. One, they are going to point somebody to something at the end of the video right here. And also 2, they actually point people towards having more than 6 carousels. So if we actually come back over through here, we could see that if we come over to the beginning, this is going to be still not at the first slide. So the first slide, we then have 2, we then have 3, we have 4, we have 5, we have 6, we have 7. So ideally, you want to make sure that you have at least 4 slides, but from what I've seen, the most TikTok posts that go viral that are going to be these carousels has 6 or more slides. Now, change number 3 is you need to make sure that you are only uploading on trending topics on TikTok. Now, I know what you're thinking right now. Rob, I don't have the time to go through and try to find what's trending, or I don't even want to go through and search for what is trending because it's very time consuming and it's kind of just an annoying task to do. Well, guess what? There's actually a new AI tool that allows you to schedule out when you want trends sent to you and what kind of trends you want, and it will actually go through and find them for you. Check this out. So that AI tool that I'm using is Content Buddy right here, because if we come into find TikTok trends, we could see that right here, we could put in our email address. We could put in keywords that we want to rank for in our niche. We could put in our competitors, and you could see that you could click on find TikTok trends, and then this will go off and find them to you and email them to you. But now what they have is schedule recurring right here. So if we turn this on, we could actually choose to have these trends sent to us on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis. We could go through, and let's say that we're going to do weekly. We could choose the day a week that they're sent, and then the time that they're going to be sent. And then we could click on schedule, and you could see you could actually save out several of these scheduled trend sends. So if you have different keywords, you could set up multiple of these, and this right here is going to help you go viral more frequently, because guess what? Now, on an automated basis, you are going to receive emails that look exactly like this, that literally tell you everything that is trending in your niche, so that you know, one, exactly what kind of content you should create, and two, exactly what's trending for the keywords. And guess what? This is going to help you spend less time creating content and end up making more content. In addition to that, if we come over here, you can also notice that if we come back over into the dashboard, they have this competitor tracker right here. If we click on TikTok competitor tracker, this allows us to add in all of our competitors. We can then view all of their posts right here, and we're going to be able to filter them by most recent, most views, most likes, most comments. Then this literally allows us to see exactly what posts are doing the best. So I have this filtered by most recent. We could see the views right here. And let's say that we wanted to recreate this video right here because it's crushing for one of our competitors. We could click on recreate, and then this is literally going to give us exactly what script to use, what hooks we should use, what description to use, what hashtags to use, so that we know exactly what to use to recreate this piece of content. Just like that, this does that. We have our new script, we have our new hooks, new description, new hashtags, and the value of Content Buddy doesn't stop there, because if we come over here, this will also give us feedback on our post, tell us the best time to post, do a bio optimizer. We could actually generate those carousels that I was showing you before from inside of here, and they have so many other AI tools to help you grow faster on TikTok, go viral more frequently, while spending less time creating content. And the best part about Content Buddy is that if you go to the pinned comment below, you could get started with it today for only $1. This would be the difference between you going viral on TikTok or you continuing to struggle to grow. So I would strongly suggest that you go to the pinned comment below and get started with it now. Change number 4 is you need to make sure that you are uploading playlists that people actually want to watch, because one of the most important things that you could do on TikTok right now is get people to watch multiple pieces of content of yours, and turning your content into playlists is one of the easiest ways to do it. Here's a good example. So here are some perfect examples of actually creating those different playlists right here. We could see Dr. Jones right here. We see GLP-1 news updates. We see carnivore diet. If we come over here, AOD 101, PCOS. We could see insulin resistance. We see weight loss stall, GLP-1 tips, fasting, peptides, weight loss tips, Dr. Jones favorites, nutritions, and if we come over to Mike, we could see he has similar stuff. We have credit repair, we have debt collectors, and we have build your teens credit. So in both situations, they have these different playlists that are helping people actually find multiple pieces of content of theirs. And the other thing that you're going to notice is the keywords that show up in these playlists a lot of times are going to be the same keywords that show in their name on TikTok and in their description on TikTok. That's true for Dr. Jones, who's been able to gain over 360,000 followers, and he has literally gone viral on TikTok hundreds of times. It's also true for Mike, who has the same thing. He has credit in his name, he has credit in his bio, and if we come over to popular, Mike has also gone viral on TikTok thousands of times. And the reason for this is because they're pointing people to multiple pieces of content. Instead of only getting people to watch that one video, they're getting people to watch multiple videos. This helps the TikTok algorithm say, hey, we need to promote this creator even more, because they're getting way more people to go through and watch content. And guess what? You could implement the same exact strategy by going through and creating these playlists. And I would recommend you have anywhere from 5 to 10 playlists, and you want to make sure that the videos inside those playlists are going to be things that people are actually wanting to watch on your channel, and ideally things that people want to binge watch. And this also gets us into the topic of not putting all of your information in one video, but putting some information in one, some information in another, some information in another, so people are incentivized to watch more of your content and not to get bored by that one video you uploaded. Then that final change that you need to make sure that you're implementing is actually going to be piggybacking off of change number 4, because really change number 4, creating those playlists, is about getting people to watch multiple videos of yours, because this sends a stronger signal to the TikTok algorithm that, hey, this person's uploading good content in this niche, we should show their content to more people. And the other way that you could do that is make sure that you are replying to comments that you are getting on your post with videos, because not only does this make the people think that you are going to continue to do this, so it incentivizes people to comment, it also then links out to that video. So now in every single video, you have multiple areas linking out to another video, and this increases the odds that your audience ends up watching multiple pieces of content from you. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you want to learn how to get 1,000 followers on TikTok in the next 24 hours, I would strongly suggest you check out this video right here that walks you through the exact tactics that you need to make sure that you're implementing in order to make this happen. If that sounds interesting, check it out right here.